Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to change the region settings on your Google Chrome. Perfect if you're trying to see location-specific search results, access region-restricted content, or just customize your browsing experience. First, open Google Chrome, click the three-dot menu at the top right corner, then go to Settings. Scroll down and click Languages in the sidebar. Then under Language, click the three dots next to your preferred language and choose Move to Top. If your desired language isn't listed, click Add Languages. These also affect your default region-based search results. Now, go to google.com, click Settings on the bottom right, then select Search Settings. Click Other Settings, then click again Language and Region. Then tap Results Region. You'll see a list of countries. Choose the country or region you want search results from, then scroll down and hit Confirm. This changes the location Google uses to show you content. Super useful for research, shopping, or seeing news from a different area. And that's it. You've now changed your region in Chrome, both for language and search preferences. Perfect for tailoring your browsing experience in 2025.